So how do you change the screen orientation on the iPad? So let me guide you through it and show you how it would work. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you need to swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center and pay attention to the screen orientation log, right? So this is what it looks like, and it can be either enabled, meaning that it's locked, or disabled, meaning that it's turned off, right? And when it's turned off like this, you will see that we have the ability to rotate the iPad. So for example, the iPad mini in here, it's kind of easy to rotate it on camera. So I'm going to show it to you like this, right? So obviously we can rotate it like that and the screen rotates with it. Obviously it only works if we have the orientation lock like lifted, really. So the orientation doesn't need to be locked for it, and you can then rotate your iPad however you want. But a lot of people also prefer the shortcut for it, because if you go to your settings and find accessibility, and inside of touch we have assistive touch, you can enable it like this, and this gives you the ability to control some of the things. For example, I currently have it set to the home button. But if you choose the single tap to open a menu like this, you're going to notice that when I click on the button, I'll have the ability to just do some different things, right? So let me just reset it all, right? And now when I click on the button, I can click on the device, rotate screen, and I can manually rotate it like that, right? So as you can see, it's pretty nice because we have the ability to move the iPad around with the click of a button. So a lot of people prefer it this way, and if you're one of them, you can definitely give it a try and also rotate the screen without actually needing to physically move the iPad. So that's all I wanted to explain and show you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'll see you later in the future uploads as well.